Hello, this VW Polo is with us to have window tints and a ceramic coating. We'll show you the ceramic coating in a future video, but today we thought we would focus on showing you the start to finish process of installing tints to the car. To get going, we need to clean the vehicle off. Starting off with the traffic film remover, which we apply and leave for a few minutes before rinsing off, we move on to snow foam the vehicle. Again, this is left for a few minutes before being agitated and rinsed off. Once dried, we get the vehicle into a highly lit, dust controlled environment so we can control the atmosphere around us while we work. Starting on our plotter, we use a number of different manufacturers' software to obtain the best fitting cut of tint, which helps make the installation easier and provides a professional finish. We roll it up to transfer it to our work area, temporarily sticking it to our glass wall to make any final cuts or adjustments as necessary, leaving behind just the templates themselves. By removing the door seals, we gain full access to the glass. We prep the interior of the glass with a scrubber and cleaning solution and squeegee it off. Spraying the tint with a slip solution as we remove the clear backing film, we keep the tint surface nice and clean and get on with the application, trying to remove as much of the moisture as possible, although it is inevitable that some moisture will remain for up to a week after installation. For any particularly curved pieces of glass, as well as cleaning the interior, we use a wet dryer sheet or baby powder on the outside of the glass to give us a non-stick surface to shrink the tint on. We start by placing the tint with the backing film included on the exterior of the glass and squeegee a H pattern onto it. The lines of the H act as an anchor point for the tint to stick to the glass, while we shrink the rest of the film down to the desired shape with a heat gun. With the tint back off the vehicle, we take the backing film off and apply more slip solution, and install it onto the vehicle, squeegeeing out as much of the water as possible as we go. Here it is before. And after. We hope you liked the video, and if this is something you've been considering for your vehicle but wasn't too sure how to go about it, give one of the team a call and they'll be more than happy to explain the different shades and types of film we have on offer for you. Thanks again.